Okay, welcome to the new tutorial on the Scratch. Today we are going to see how we can customize our own character or make changes to the character that is in the Scratch. So as of now, I have this cat as a character. You can have your own character from the choose a sprite menu, and what you can do is you can go to this costumes. So when you click on the costumes, you will see that the entire menu of customization of character will open up. So what you can do is you can actually change the color of it. So let's say I want to change the color of the face of the cat. I can do that, and let's say I want to just change the color of the parts of the cat. So let's say I want to make it red. So I'll just choose the color red from the fill menu, click on this bucket, and then like this I can change the color of the entire cat. Okay. Other than that, you can also change the size of the character by using this select option. Once you click the select option and click any part of it, you can increase the size as bigger or smaller. It's up to you. Other than that, you can also modify it by using different shapes. We have the circle character, circle thing, the square. We can use the circle to increase the size of the eyes, maybe. So I can just use this for like this, maybe like this. So in this way, you can change or customize your characters in Scratch. There are other options in the Scratch, so like the eraser. You can use the erasers to erase the anything. Like if you want to erase something, you can do that. If there is also the brush option, text option. So I'm not going to explore all these options here. These are all the options are there for you to explore. So yeah, this is I think pretty much it from this video. See you in the next video.